In this video, I'll show you how you can wear multiple back accessories in Roblox. Now first you want to head over to Avatar on the Roblox website, and from in here you want to go to accessories. Now from in here you should see one that says back, and you want to click on it. Now what you will do in here is you will have different items. As you can see, I don't have any, but if you have different, what you want to do is you want to right click on them, open link in new tab, and you want to do that with all the items. Remember, it needs to be the items that you own, not these. Then what you want to do is you want to press on advanced, and from in here you'll need to copy the ID. So let's say this is your item you just opened. You're gonna copy and paste this ID. You're gonna do it with the next one as well, and you want to copy all the ID from the items that you own. Then what you want to do is press save, and you will then equip more than once. So that's how you can do it in Roblox. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.